Alright, so I finally took a second to figure out how to do this question we were on. I feel so dumb not actually realizing my error, but here we go. So we receive a shipment of 9 hammers. We know that 4 out of the shipment are defective. So basically just say, we have 4 out of 9 that we know are defective. Well, we also know that this implies that we have 5 out of 9 that aren't. So, the first question states, if a sample of 4 hammers is selected, find the probability that all in the sample are defective. So to get the right answer on this, you need to use this number right here with the 4 out of 9 defective hammers and start basically taking one out as you select 4 different hammers. So part A goes like this. We take 4 out of 9. We take 3 out of 8. So basically kind of like that one problem with the cereal boxes and the decoder rings. We're removing one hammer. One of the hammers is defective. One of the hammers out of the total amount of hammers. There we go. 2 out of 7. And finally, 1 out of 6. And if you just enter these on your calculator or on Excel, and I'll pull them up in Excel so I could show you how to do them on there. You could just take equals 4 divided by 9, 3 divided by 8, 2 divided by 7, and last but not least, 1 divided by 6. Hit enter. And that right there is your statistic. Suppose you got to put the multiplication symbol in between those parentheses. So to do that, you hit Shift 8. And then for part B, we're just basically doing the same thing, but we're selecting 4 hammers and we're trying to find the probability that none in the sample are defective. So you're using the 5 out of 9 that aren't defective and basically doing the same thing. So in this problem, we're just doing 5 out of 9. We're doing 4 out of 8. 3 out of 7, and 2 out of 6, multiplying them, and that's how we get our statistic. So again, we could just enter these in on Excel, hit equals, parentheses, 5/9, close the parentheses, hit Shift 8 to get the multiplication symbol. Again, parentheses, 4 divided by 8, multiplication sign, 3 divided by 7, multiplication sign, and 2 divided by 6. Hit enter. And right there is the last statistic to figure out, how many of the ones in the sample are going to be not defective. So I hope that helps, Chris. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll send over some other solutions to some of the other problems we did.